This laboratory rolling press machine is mainly used for battery electrodes preparation to increase the density of the battery electrode. It's suitable for the battery lab research. The diameter and length of the dual rollers are 100 mm and 400 mm respectively. First of all, install the digital dial meter and adjust the gap between the two rollers to 0. Set the value of the digital dial meter to 0. Adjust the rolling press thickness according to your requirements. Turn on the power and turn on the heating switch, set the temperature and wait for the roller to heat up. Start to run the machine after reaching the setting temperature, and adjust the rolling speed through the speed controller. Battery electrode foil feeding in. Thickness testing after the rolling press.